Hi guys, welcome back to our Model Maths NAGARAJU SIR YouTube channel. Now in this class, Intermediate First Year Maths 1B, Applications of Derivatives, Part 8. So it is a large chapter. In this chapter, we several subtopics. Here, Maxima, Minima. In 7th part, Maxima, Minima 1 to 3 long questions completed. In this part 8, maximum minima 4, 5, 6 questions we are going to learn. And after these 3 questions, we will learn just 2 marks, very important. Only 2 questions are there: increasing function, decreasing function, like that. So after complete of 4, 5, 6, we can discuss increasing, decreasing also in this part. Okay, shall we enter into the problem? Yes, before that, if you are newly watching, please subscribe and share with your friends, and also click with bell button, and also please click like button, give comment. Okay, taking the question. So important long questions. Actually, first one would be our most important. So then after 4, 5, 6 also important. Okay, first one, sorry, fourth one. A wire of length L is cut into 2 parts. Okay, so he is saying that suppose it is a wire of length L centimeter, for example, cut into 2 parts. Cut it. So one part is another part. So 2 parts we get by cutting into 2 parts, which are bent respectively in the form of a square and a circle. After that, one part converted into square, another part converted into circle. Is it clear question? First of all, we should understand the question. Then after we can solve the problem. Okay. What are the lengths of the pieces of the wire respectively, so that the sum of areas is least? Okay. By using actually maximum, minimum means what? If you learn the previous video, this one easily understand. Means part 7 application of derivatives, part 7 by NAGARAJU SIR. You learn this video. Okay, even though I will tell you. So actually, in this chapter maximum minima, first we should write the given information. Then after we should form the equation or expression in terms of x or some another term. After that we should derivative, and after that f dash of x is equal to 0 to, then f double dash of x value we can find. Then after we can say answer for the given question. Is it clear? First, the wire of length L is cut into 2 parts. Okay. So here first length is L. What are the 2 parts? We don't know. So one of the part is x I am taking. Out of L, one is x. The remaining becomes what? L minus x. Okay. For example, if a wire is suppose 10 centimeter, if I cut 4 centimeter, what is the remaining length? 6 centimeter. Very good. How can we know? Very simple. Total length 10 centimeter. 4 centimeter removed means 10 minus 4 means 6 is there. So like that, total length is L is there. In that x is if one part is considered x, then remaining part will be definitely L minus x. So using this x, I formed a square. Remaining part L minus x, I formed a circle. Okay, just I bent the remaining part in the round, that becomes circle. This part I bent as corners, it becomes a square. Okay, so now according to the question solution, given that length of y is equal to L, let one part is x, then other part becomes L minus x. So here with this length x, what I did, I bent into a square. So it forms 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Total length is x centimeter. 4 sides means what? So square x Perimeter of square. So here I am taking perimeter of x. Perimeter means what? Total area. Why I am taking perimeter? Because the total length is x. The total length converted into square. So here the length of total square called as perimeter. Okay, generally. So perimeter of square it has four sides. So four sides. Side I am taking A. For example, side I am taking A. E is what? X. Then side A equal to x by 4. Means what? Total perimeter x. Then each side x by 4, x by 4, x by 4, x by 4. Obviously, if x is divided into 4 parts, 4 equal parts, then each equal part x by 4, x by 4, x by 4, x by 4. Is it clear? Next. So here total L minus x I am converted into circle. So circle called circumference. So circumference of circle. Generally, here circumference of circle is L minus x. For example, radius r, then circumference formula is what? 2 pi r. So 2 pi r equal here given L minus x. We have to find a small r, radius. Generally in circle, the main concept, main subject is radius. In the square side is the main subject. So small r equal to L minus x by 2 pi. So now we have two parts, one is square, one is circle. Now we got it square side and circle radius also we found. Okay. What we have to find, the question depends on what are the lengths of pieces. We should find the lengths of pieces, okay, of the wire respectively, so that the sum of areas is the least. This is the main point. Sum of areas is the least. First find out sum of the areas. Sum means what? Plus areas, square area, circle area. So area of square plus area of circle. I am going to find. What is the sum of areas? Let I am taking this is as f of x. Okay, what is the area of square formula generally? Square area formula is side into side, side square. So that is here a square. Area of circle formula pi r square. Very good. Pi r square. Here a means what? X by 4. So x by 4 whole square plus pi into r means what here? L minus x by 2 pi. L minus x by 2 pi. It has a square, so that's just simplify x square by 4 square is 16 plus pi into L minus x whole square. Can we simplify? Shall we do? Okay. A square minus 2a minus 2ax plus b square plus x square by 2 pi whole square. 2 square 4, 5 square is 5 square. Of course, here square pi cancel. The remaining one is x square by 16 plus L square minus simplifying L square by 4 pi square minus 2lx by 4 pi square plus x square by 4 pi square. Okay, so this is the sum of the areas of two square and circle. Okay, any doubt? Okay, you can keep this one as it is. Next, what is the next step? In this maximum minima, first we should form the equation that was done. Next, to do derivative immediately. So derivative means what? D by dx of f of x. That is nothing but f dash of x, of course. So d by dx of this function, x square by 16 plus L square by 4 pi square minus 2lx by 4 pi square plus x square by 4 pi square. See, f of x derivation means what? F dash of x, and here 16 is constant. X square derivation 2x, so 2x by 16. See here, this completely constant term. So there is no variable in this. So derivation of this term becomes 0. Is it clear? Of course, here 2 and 2 will be cancelled. Okay. So L by 2 pi square is the constant term, right, as it is here. Then x derivation what? 1. And here x square is a variable, 4 pi square constant, right, as it is. X square derivation what? 2x by 4 pi square as it is. Of course, 2 1 gets cancelled. Here 2 1 2 8. So what is remaining? So we are getting f dash of x is equal to x by 8 minus L into 1 L by 2 pi square plus x by 2 pi square. So this we got f dash of x. Next, what is the next step? Immediately do f dash of x is equal to 0. Okay, I told you first step is function find out. Second step is derivation. After finding derivation, third step is f dash of x is equal to 0 to it. After that, we get some x values. Okay, then after again derivation of this f dash of x, fourth step, f double dash of x find out. After finding f double dash of x, substitute x value in this and find out whether it is less than or greater than. Okay, here it is least to. Least means to get greater than 0, we need to find, we need to get. Okay, I am remembering this. Is it clear? Okay. If you have doubt or confusion, please watch again, then you will get clarification. That's why I am saying first in maximum minima, this before this part 7, watch it, then after watch this. Even you watch this also, you can understand, no problem. What is the next one? Do f dash of x is equal to 0. So f dash of x is equal to 0 means what is f dash of x here? Yes, x by 8 minus L by 2 pi square plus x by 2 pi square is equal to 0. We have to find x value here. 2 pi square. Sorry, here pi square by gets cancelled. 4 5 only is there. I am really sorry. Only 4 5. So 2 by 2 5. So this one only. We have to find x value. So I am adding these two. Send minus L by 2 pi right side. Okay. So x by 8 plus x by 2 pi is equal to L by 2 pi. So here LCM is 2 table, 8 jump. 8 pi is the LCM. The 8 table pi tx pi x plus in 2 pi table 4 times 2 4 is 8, 4 into x 4x is equal to L by 2 pi. Pi cancel to 1 jack to 4 jack. So in this x is common. So taking x, 4 plus pi is remaining by 4 is the remaining. So it's equal to only L is there. So x is equal to L 4 send right side 4L by 5 plus 4 send right side goes to denominator 5 plus 4. So got it x value. Just now I have said by doing f dash of x equal to 0 we can get the x value. So here we got it x value. So one part becomes what? Total length is L. Then one part is 4L by 5 plus 4. Then second part also we can find out. Okay. So before that, just keep this as it is made. Find out f double dash of x. F double dash of x means what? Derivation of f of x. Okay. Sorry, f dash of x. So derivation of what is f dash of x? Yes, there is. That is x by 8 minus L by 2 pi plus x by 2 pi. So derivation x is there. So x derivation 1 by 8 as it is minus this one complete constant term, there are no x terms 0 and plus here x is variable 1 by 2 pi as it is, then x derivation 1. So finally we are getting 1 by 8 plus 1 by 2 pi. So So we got it to positive value greater than 0. So x double dash of x value is greater than 0. So f of x definitely have minimum value. So therefore, see, what is condition to maxima minima? F dash of x equal to 0, f double dash of x greater than 0, then fx has local minimum. Okay, therefore f of x is minimum. And what? That x is equal to 4l by 5 plus 4, because at that time the x value got 4l by 5 plus 4. Completed. Actually, question is asking what are the x value, what is L minus x value, means what are the parts of the wire, two parts of wire respectively. One part we assumed as x, another part L minus x, that we have to find. Giving condition the minimum area. So that's why we have taken area, added the sum of areas, simplifying and using minimum condition. Got it? Minimum condition. If we have double of x greater than 0, that means this is minimum. If we get f double of x less than 0, that means get maximum. But here, luckily we got it greater than 0. Greater than means minimum. Minimum at x is equal to 4. So second part. So first part becomes what? 4l x means 4l by 5 plus. Next second part. Second wire, that is L minus x, means L minus 4l by 5 plus 4. So that is called 5 plus 4 is the LCM. 5 plus 4 into L. 5l plus 4l minus 4l. See, cancel. So 5l by 5 plus 4 is the answer. That's it. We just have two more questions. Those are very small questions, simple questions, not like in this lengthy way. Just do the practice at least 1 or 2 times. You can get more clarification on this sum. Okay, shall we go to next problem? Yes, not done. Yes, this is also a simple important question. Find two positive integers x and y such that x plus y is equal to 60, x y cube is maximum. Okay, here x plus y is given 60. That means x is equal to what we can write 60 minus y. Okay, so he is asking xy cube is maximum. So function in terms of what I will tell you. So here x means what? 60 minus y, and y cube means y cube. So here it is in terms of y. That's why I am taking as function f of y. So why don't you take in terms of x? Means why don't you write y equal to 60 minus x? No problem, that way also we can do. But if you do in that way, see what you will get? X y cube means x means x, y means 60 minus x whole cube. So here a minus b whole cube expansion, so on and so, to get some lengthy explanation and factorization. So little bit different. Same answer we get finally. If you are interested, do in that way also. But my better suggestion is do in this way. Okay. So that's why I have taken x equal to 60 minus 5 and substitute in place of x 60 minus 5, y cube means y cube. Now 60 into y cube means 60 y cube minus y into y cube means y power. Is it simple or not? Okay, next to get f dash of y. So differentiate with respect to y because of here function in terms of y. So differentiate with respect to y. So is equal to d by dy of 60 y cube minus y power 4. So this is the first function, keep it as it is. Next 60 y cube derivation 3 into y square minus y4 derivation 4 into y cube. So this is f dash of y. Okay. So f dash of y equal to 60 into 3, 180 y square minus 4y cube. Okay. F dash of x means f dash of y also we got. Next what? Next step. First find the function. Second derivation. Third the derivation is equal to 0. Fourth double derivation. So f dash of y equal to 0. Take we have to remember this step. Then 180 y square minus 4y cube equal to 0. This what is common? y square is common, and both comes in 4 table, 4 also common. In 4 table 180, 4 4 ja 16, 4 5 ja 20, minus 4 common, y square common, y is remaining. So means what? 4y square equal to 0 and 45 minus y equal to 0. Means what? Minus y equal to minus 45 means minus minus cancel, y equal to 5. So I am considering y equal to 45 because if you take y equal to 0 also one of the value. So let us see, we have to get maximum value. To get the maximum value, we should get f double dash derivation is less than 0. And what value of this function less than 0? Let us check. So very simple here. We have to remember first find the function, second derivation, third step the derivation is equal to 0. In that we get x value or y value. Next double derivation. After that substitute that value. Double derivation means f double dash of y. So to get f double dash of y, do the derivation of f dash of y. What is the f dash of y? Actually that is 180 y square minus y cube. Sorry, 4y cube. So which is called 180 constant. Y cube, y square derivation 2 into y minus 4. Y cube derivation 3 into y square. So 180 into 2 is 3y minus 4 3 are 12 y square. So this is f double dash of y. So now what we have to check whether it is less than 0 or greater than 0. So by directly we can't say. So by substituting y value 0, we get 0 minus 0 0. 0 is not positive, not negative. So we can't say by using y value 0. So let us check. I am going to check y equal to 45. That's fine. So I am taking f double dash of 45. I am going to find. Okay, are you clear? I am taking 45 only. If you take 0, substitute here, we get f double dash of y equal to 0. From that we can't say any answer. So we must get either less than or greater than. That is our ambition, our target. So that's why I am substituting 45. Then it becomes what? 360 into 45. Very good. Minus 12 into 45 square. So how much is 360 into 45? Okay. 36 into 45. 5 6 are 30. 5 8 are 15. 4 6 are 24. 39, 42, 3 4 12, 16, 26 and 0 minus that one. 45 square means what? 25, 4, 5, 20, 25. Okay, there is 20, 25. Generally 25 square, 35 square, 95 square, 55 square. Simply we can write last two digits 25 means that in this type of if last digit is 5, then before steps 2 is there, after 2 3, 2 3 are 6, so 6 25 is 25 square. If you want 35 square, last 25, after 3 what? 4, 3 4 are 12, so 12 25, this 9 10 are 90 25, 5 after 6, 5 6 are 30 25. So in this way we can write something. So like that 45 square means 20 20 25 into 12. 20 25 into 12. 12 5 are 60, 12 2 are 24, 6 30, 12 0 3, 12 2 are 20. So 24,300. See, this is 16,200. So subtract how much? 8,000, 7,000 minus 7,900. This is less than 0? Yes. F double dash of value is less than 0. So whenever it is less than 0, we can say that the function has maximum. So therefore, f of y is maximum. At what? At y equal to 5. So at that time, because of y value 45 take, we got it less than 0. So at y value 45, then x is equal to what? It's nothing but 60 minus 5. So then 60 minus 45 is equal to 50. So therefore x is equal to 50. So at x is equal to 15, y equal to 45, xy cube is maximum. You can check. So Okay, now by substituting in that we can get a maximum value. If you take other than these two, any other values, you will get less than that function value. Okay, so this is the solution. This is also important question. 2-3 times it is repeated in the board exam. So take the function derivation. Derivation is equal to 0. Value found out. After that again double derivation and substitute that we get the answer. Okay, the last one is there. We complete that, we can complete this chapter. Okay, a last long question in this maximum minima or in this chapter. Find the maximum area of rectangle that can be found with fixed perimeter 20. So rectangle, generally length is L, breadth is B. Here given perimeter 20. So given that perimeter of rectangle is 20. Perimeter means what? Sum of the all sides. Length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. Okay. What are the two lengths? Two breadths. 2 into L plus B equal 20. And before that, let us consider what is length, what is breadth. So in terms of x and y, generally, so let length is x, breadth is y and consider. So 2 into x plus y becomes what? 20. 2 1 ja, 2 10 ja. X plus y equal 10. Actually, in the previous question, I am taking x is equal to here. So that means 10 minus 5. Even you can take y equal to also no problem. Okay, we got x value in terms of y. Keep it. Next, find the maximum area of rectangle. So what do you mean by maximum area of rectangle? Okay, so therefore here function is area of rectangle. So area of rectangle formula x into y. Here x means 10 minus y into y. See here this also comes in terms of y. So that's why this also I'm taking in terms of y. So 10 into y, 10y. So f of y equal 10y minus y into y square. No problem, we can do in terms of x also. That is your wish. Now, after getting function, what next? Very good. F dash. So f dash of what? 10 into y derivation 1, y square derivation 2y. So f dash of y equal to 10 minus 2y. Okay. After getting derivation what? Yes, is equal to 0. F dash of y equal to 0. So take f dash of y equal to 0. Means what? 10 minus 2y equal to 0. Means what? Minus 2y equal to minus 10. Minus minus cancel to 5. So y equal to 5. We got it, y equal to 5. Now we have to check at y equal to 5. What is x value? That we can find out, of course. But at y equal to 5, is it maximum or minimum? How can we know? Yes, by doing f double dash of y. So therefore, f double dash of y equal to what? Derivation of f dash of y. So derivation of what is f dash of y here? 10 minus 2y. I think directly this can be okay. F double dash of y equal to 10 derivation 0 minus 2 into y derivation 1. So just 0 minus 2 into 1 minus 2 we are getting. So even if you substitute y value 5, the answer is minus 2. Is it less than 0? Yes, it is less than. Whenever it is less than, so it has maximum according to the principle. So therefore, f of y is maximum at y equal to 5. Okay, f of y means what? Area of rectangle. So area of rectangle is maximum at y equal to 5 means breadth 5. So of course, what is x? That also we have to find. So x equal to 10 minus y generally, that is 10 minus y means 5. So this also we are getting 5, no problem. So here it becomes square, no problem. So therefore, at the length of 5, breadth of 5, area of rectangle is maximum. The answer. Okay. So these are the important long questions. As I told you in the starting of the video, I will tell you two definitions of increasing function and decreasing function. That is very most important and very simple. Within 1 or 2 minutes I can complete this class. I just write the definition and I will explain you. So through that we can complete this chapter. So total we have 10 chapters. I will make a video how to get marks and how to get pass, how to get 75 out of 75 in one video without waste your time, because our time is very important to us. So that's why most probably I have taken the concepts in orderly to understand you very easily, and to reduce that time I just telling very most important questions with additional to other problems also without losing marks. So these topics, these questions are enough. In all chapters if you complete, you can get good marks definitely. Okay, in description I will try to give the all topics of links. Please see in the description, you can get all links, and then after I will make one video about that. Okay, so not done, just 2 definitions are there, I will complete that. So please subscribe if you do not subscribe, for me to do that one, and also share with your friends if you are interested in our classes. Okay. Yes, increasing and decreasing functions, very most important to math question. We just have the definition only asking in the exam. First one, define increasing and decreasing function on an interval. What is the solution? Very simple. F of x is real value function on interval I is said to be, first one, increasing on function on I if x1 less than x2, if and only if f of x1 less than or equal to f of x2. So that is the main point. Same sign should be there. Otherwise we can write x1 less than or equal to x2, then f of x1 less than or equal to f of x2. Same sequence should be must. What I am saying, because of another condition also is there under definition. So no need to learn, but I am telling you, x1 greater than or equal to x2 if and only f of x1 greater than or equal to f of x2, also right answer. Means what? In the increasing function, the statement must be follows same symbol. And decreasing function. Decreasing function on I if x1 less than or equal to x2 if and only if f of x1 greater than or equal to f of x2. So here change, reverse, that is decreasing function. So here also we can give one more statement, that is if x1 greater than or equal to x2 if and only if f of x1 less than or equal to f of x. So what we have to remember, in the increasing function the sign should be same, in the decreasing function sign should be different. That's it. Sir, if you write one definition, is it enough? So no need to write 2 definitions. But to understand it, but to know about this function, I told you clear information. Because of sometimes in some materials or some source may tell second definition, like that what I have said in the second segment. Okay? Yes, this is the increasing function definition, this is decreasing function definition. So very most important. So one more same question, just small change. First question is note down. Okay, is it complete? Just take screenshot and write down. Otherwise, pause the video, write down. So second question is small change. Same concept. If you know this one, second one directly you can write. Define strictly increasing, strictly increasing and strictly decreasing function and very simple. Small change. Strictly means there must be less than means greater than. There is no less than or equal, there is no greater. That's it. It is strictly less than, this is strictly greater. That's it. So this is the increasing and decreasing. 2 questions are important for 2 marks. And 6 long questions maximum are completed. So in this application of derivatives, I told you the first part is errors and approximations. Application of derivative, first part errors and approximations. 2 marks, very most important questions and very easy. Then after next long questions we have completed tangents and normals. In the tangents and normals, long questions and 4 marks also completed. Then after we completed rate measure, so length of tangent, length of subtangent. Okay. Then after rate measure, then rate measure after mean value theorems, then after this maximum minima and decreasing function. So this is the application of derivatives. It consists more number of marks, especially for the 2020-21 batch. From this chapter, 33 marks. Okay, 33 marks from this chapter. Of course, if you know the differentiation, it is easy. So all differentiation also completed. But maths 1A complete, 1B complete, 2A complete, 2B also complete. Next 10th class videos, maths videos also available. Okay, please see in our YouTube channel and also share with your friends. They will use, I hope, my classes. So thank you for watching our classes. Thank you encouraging me. Thank you giving good comments. And all the best for your exam. And the most even about who thinks get good score of you, in that I am the one of the person, because as a teacher I just want to know, I just to see to you with having good marks in mathematics. Thank you all.